Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A few hours ago, I made a video about, Clever, compared it to GPay as well. Also basically set up a Clever account and linked it to my freelance platform. Also made a dollar withdrawal from there. So if you'd like to check out how I did all of that, you can check out this video. I also made another video about how to make money with Clever if, you want to make money on the side with it. Now, in this video, I will be showing you basically how to withdraw your money from Clever. The money I withdrew when I made this video, the dollars I withdrew when I was making this video has finally arrived. It took, I think, around 7 hours to arrive from Golands, which is the freelance platform I use. So the money has arrived and I want to quickly break it down for you guys. Let's go to incoming. Let's expand this so you can see it. So $13 came in. $1.50 was what was charged as the deposit fee by Clever. Now this is what I have left. So at the moment, I currently have this $11 and I want to withdraw the $11 to my Nigerian bank account. First of all, what I do want to do is go to recipients and add my bank account details, which I already did. This is my Kuda account. Now, one of the things that is worth mentioning is that when you receive dollars to your Cleva account, you don't withdraw dollars exactly, you're withdrawing Naira. And that's how Cleva and also GPay works. This is the exchange rate as of today so far. If you want to see the exchange rate for GPay and compare, you can check out my other video to see how how I did that. But again, let's continue. I received dollars. I want to withdraw it to my Naira account. At the moment, Clever doesn't let you withdraw dollars to a dollar account. In case you're wondering, if you receive dollars, it will basically convert it to Naira when you're withdrawing. Now, I already added my Kuda information here. I can now go ahead and withdraw, right? And how do I do that? Well, I am just going to come to accounts, then click on transfer. And here it says it's basically asking, for the international transfer information. So I'll click here, select my Kuda. From my Clever USD amount I would like to send, let's say $10. So that would be 14,650 according to this exchange rate. Transfer fee is 0, right? Description, maybe if I want to add a description for the transfer. If I don't want to add a description, there's really no need. I can click on continue. Then it will ask me to review everything again. So this is the amount I'd like to withdraw. My Kuda information is here already. I'll click on confirm. Then it will ask me to enter my PIN. The 4-digit PIN is what you would create when you're setting up your Clever account. So don't worry, I already did that. I have entered my 4-digit PIN. I will submit. Boom. The transaction is in transit. It's saying that I am going to receive it within 1 hour. Just real quick, I am going to check my Kuda account. Transfer just sent you 14. Yep, it just arrived. That was fast, to be honest. So it's kind of like in an instant, but again, they tell you that it's going to arrive within 1 hour. So you don't raise your hopes too high. Or they don't raise your hopes too high. So that's it. I've made the transfer. I transferred $10. I only have days left. I'm just going to leave this for emergency. Maybe I want to buy airtime one of these days or something. But that's it. That's how you withdraw your money from Clever. Let me know if you have questions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And of course, you can make a video request. If there's anything you'd like me to make a video about, let me know in the comments. I'll see you around. Take care. Bye.